Every time a new technology shows up, we panic about jobs disappearing. But if you look at history, technology never removes humans, it repositions them. And today, I'm going to show you the skills that no machine can replace if you choose to master them. Skill 1: Emotional intelligence. AI can recognize emotions, but it doesn't experience them. It doesn't feel heartbreak. It doesn't feel fear. It doesn't feel the weight of pressure before a big moment. Humans do. Humans can sense tension the moment they walk into a room. They can read what isn't being said. They can notice the pause, the tone shift, the discomfort behind a smile. And when you learn to understand your emotions instead of fighting them, you gain power. In leadership, relationship, and careers, your ability to stay calm, empathize, and respond thoughtfully often matters more than raw intelligence or technical skills. As the world gets faster and AI gets smarter, the calmest person in the room naturally becomes the leader. In AI-heavy world, emotional intelligence isn't just nice to have, it's a strategic advantage. Skill 2: Judgment and inner wisdom. AI works brilliantly in the world with clear rules, clean data, and predictable outcomes. But real life is messy. Life doesn't always give you a rule book. Sometimes you are forced to choose without certainty. That's where judgment takes over. That comes from reflection, from values, from lived experience. And humans are uniquely good at this. We can make decisions with incomplete information, balance logic with intuition, choose what truly matters, especially when the data is messy, the stakes are high, and ethics are involved. This is why leaders aren't replaced by algorithm, because judgment isn't about being right, it's about being responsible. Skill 3: Creative power and vision. AI generate ideas, but humans decide which ones matter. Humans choose what's meaningful, what's tasteful, what's worth building. Creativity isn't just output, it's insight. It's about meaning that doesn't come from an algorithm. It comes from awareness, from experience, from the human lens. It's about knowing which story needs to be told, which problem actually matters, which idea deserves attention, what should exist in the world next. In the AI era, the role of humans isn't to produce faster, it's to direct better, and that's the new creative age. Skill 4: Critical thinking and clarity. We live in an age where AI gives us more information than ever. But more information doesn't mean better thinking. The real advantage today isn't knowing more, it's filtering better. The future doesn't belong to the fastest, it belongs to the clearest. When you train your mind to think critically, you stop reacting to everything around you and start choosing what actually matters. Critical thinkers don't just consume ideas, they question them. They challenge assumptions before accepting them, notice flawed logic others miss, recognize manipulation instead of falling for it, think in second order effect, not just immediate outcomes. In a world of endless content, clarity becomes rare, and the rare skills are always valuable. Skill 5: Human connection and influence. Efficiency might get attention, but authenticity earns loyalty. We follow people who listen, who care, who are fully present even when no one's watching. Trust is built when someone shows up with authenticity, consistency, presence. AI can help us communicate faster, clearer, and efficiently, but it can replace rapport, credibility, emotional safety, because influence has never been technical. It's always been human. Your emotional control, judgment, creativity, integrity, presence, authenticity, these are the real multipliers. AI doesn't replace them. Skill 6: Adaptability and inner growth. The biggest danger today is not being replaced by AI. It's being attached to an outdated identity. The world is going to keep changing. That part is inevitable. What holds people back isn't change itself. It's the fear of letting go of who they used to be good at being. The real leverage today isn't knowledge, it's identity flexibility, the ability to evolve without losing your core values, to adapt, to learn, to unlearn, to realign. And that's why the most powerful skill in AI era isn't what's on your resume. It's your willingness to become someone new when the old version stops working. Reinvention is the ultimate skill, and relevance belongs to the flexible. AI can generate answers in seconds, but humans don't win on speed or scale anymore. Humans win on judgment, meaning, connection, wisdom, courage, and none of this come from code. They come from character. That's the real advantage you have. So instead of competing with AI, the smartest move is to double down on the skills AI can't replace. Because the future doesn't belong to the fastest machine, it belongs to the strongest humans.